Spawn now.
Can someone
Can
get me a
someone get me a
shotgun?
grappler? Can someone get me a grappler, please?
Hey, green. Can I
Hey,
kill you?
can someone get me a shotgun?
I have a shotgun. I have a shotgun. I have a shotgun.
Can you give it to me?
Hey, you.
Can you give it
to me?
Yeah.
Hey, give it back.
You can get it.
Give it
Well, I
back.
gave you a revolver.
You
This
give me
one, I
a
gave you a
shotgun with the
revolver.
ammo in it.
Can you give it to me, please?
Give me okay. Fucking hell.
Have a shotgun.
Look, this one has ammo. I'm not even lying.
Yeah, you took my fucking thing, you
Can
fucking
someone give me a
You
grappler?
fucking took my shotgun, you fucking fat prick. You took my
Can
fucking
someone
shotgun,
please
you fucking
donate
cunt.
me a grappler?
Yeah, you did, you fucking prick, you little
Can
fucking
someone
bitch.
donate me a
Well,
I'm in my
now.
blood.
I have a fucking Scottish prick. Hand it back to me now, you fucking cunt. You fucking cunt. It's my shotgun that I dropped, you fucking bitch. And you fucking
Was it
got
over
shotgun.
there? Was it over there?
You fuck.
Yes,
You wasn't fucking
that
shotgun.
shotgun.
Yeah, there's no way. Yeah. That's fucking mad. You fuck now.
Crap, I missed again.
Fucking
Show me the
fuck,
Glock
bitch.
first.
Here you go. Hey,
Show me the Glock or I
Here you
blow
go,
your
Pink.
head.
Wait, I need to open my backpack for it. Hey, Pink.
Okay, I'm
Wait.
waiting for you.
He's red one.
You better not lie to me or I'm gonna blow your head off.
Where's he? Hey, Pink.
Absolute muppet.
Hey, you can come and pick
Du
me.
kan bede om våben. Bro, give me my thing! Altså, man kan stjæle andre folks våben.
Can someone get me a shotgun ammo?
pull out an RPG on you.
I got a shotgun.
I will pull out an
It's fully
RPG on you.
loaded. I got. Who wants a fully loaded shotgun?
boys? Take the loot.
I want the shotgun fully loaded.
Can someone get me a shotgun ammo?
Free loot.
I want shotgun.
Please
Guys, who
stop
wants to fight
fighting. It's not
I'm not
very
giving
fun.
away items. I'm giving away that pickaxe. Crowbar there. Free flashlight if anyone wants it. Over there.
Me.
Why would we want a free
What's over
flashlight?
there?
Go get it if you want it.
Why would we want that?
How do I open the backpack?
I'm gonna go to war.
Take it
I'm gonna
from
go to
your
war.
Green. That's my revolver. Please, can I get it?
Let's go.
Yep. But he's got. Oh, I thought you had 2 shotguns. I keep getting hit by something. Oh no, freaking.
Yeah, sure.
I may have found a rocket.
Hey, give my
Oh,
revolver back. Someone stole my
Alright,
revolver.
this is the code.
I got you,
The code is PP max.
Give me flashlight.
Someone stole my revolver.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Give my
6,
revolver
7,
back. Give my
I got it
revolver
back.
back.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's mine. Give it back. Give the damn thing back. I have a shotgun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Give the goddamn
7.
thing back.
Let's go.
Yeah, well,
Give
I
the goddamn
revolver.
thing back.
I got a flashlight this time.
Can you give me that revolver? That's mine.
Dual flashlights. Damn.
Trading a flashlight backpack for a loaded or unloaded RPG.
Where'd you go? Look what I found. That's a bomb. Oh, could be.
What about a fully loaded shotgun? Shotgun ammo for the revolver. That's not. You can't do
Yes.
that. Guys. Dynamite.
I just want to go to the nut horizontal.
I'm just finding things on the floor and I'm using them for wall.
And I'm finding things too.
Hey, this is my loot. Bro, why are you trying to steal my loot? Why are you stealing my loot?
Are you a crowd?
No, that crowbar is mine. Oh, I don't know where it's went now. Oh, that's crowbar. It's gonna be a crowbar.
No, you will kill me. I know.
Wait, where did he go?
Good job. Can someone get me a revolver? Revolver or shotgun ammo for this? Shotgun or revolver
I don't need
ammo?
anything for shotgun ammo. I'll just give you. Can someone get my plunger, please? Can someone get my plunger?
No.
I got an RPG! I got an RPG! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Bro, RPG!
No, they're going to kill me. They're actually trash. I'll go down the sewers. I'll go down the sewers.
That's
Let's go.
RPG you got there.
It's me.
Shit, hey, there's another RPG. Get it if you
No,
want
I
it.
didn't trust you.
Free RPG over
get
there! Free RPG! Free RPG! I'm not wasting my RPG.
Yeah,
pick it
Where'd it go?
Yo! That guy just got demolished! Yeah.
Bullshit.
Yo, reindeer! Reindeer, how much money do you have? Yo, reindeer, how much money do you have?
174 million.
How? And if you sell yourself beside a thing, then you turn off your Wi-Fi, you turn them back on, and you just keep doing it, and then you just get infinite money. Bro, I want to do that. Can you show me how to do it? Stupid red watch. I hate
I'll
red
take
watches.
your stuff.
What's in here? That's kill issue.
Revolver
Yeah,
ammo,
yeah,
really?
yeah.
I'm putting my hand up. Who wants to go down sewers? Come to stone.
Bro, that's
Who wants to come down
revolver.
sewers?
Pick up who?
Give me.
Oh,
Whose is this? Whose is this?
I want to go sewers. Me. Right, let's go.
this guy's a full
give me-
bag.
Is it yours?
revolver
Is it
ammo.
yours?
Is it yours?
Give me it. I'm
Is it
good.
yours?
I'm
Is
good.
the umbrella
I'm
yours?
good.
Whose umbrella is this? Yo, come on, umbrella is this?
Let's go. RPG. Let's go. Bro, let's try and complete. My headset's on 11%. So I think I'll be able to do it.
Can I do it?
Let's go to the underground base. Kill the chicken.
Hello.
I got him.
Hello, I'm going to sword.
Where are you? Kill this chicken. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Is anybody in sword?
We'll get you, little chicken.
Nah. Okay, you come? Can you come? Yeah.
Valentine.
Oh, that's
I
creepy.
got a Valentine's thing. Come here.
Hi. Hi guys.
Come here. Look what I got. I'll show you what I got.
Can anybody read me?
Look what I got.
Now.
So do I. Coke. I got Coke.
Good job.
I didn't it.
Come.
I got a plunger.
It's right behind me.
I got a
Oh my
I got a
God.
plunger. How are you? Plunger, plunger. Oh, look what I got. I'm not in this. Pickaxe. Okay, I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna break it. I know where the R is. The R is over here. The red light person is here. I need to go.
I'm here.
Another red light.
Hi.
You're dead.
He doesn't see us. If we are behind some object.
Red watch up here! Red watch! Red watch!
Wait. Don't move. You are such a bad boy. I was in such trouble. What? Oh, there's some research points. Yeah. Hi. No, nice. Wait, I'll break it. Turn it off. Yeah. Go. You can go on green. Every time when it's green, just move to it. I don't have backpack, you don't have to. No! I can kill you. Bye bye, my friend.
What?
There's money in here.
Yo, bro. It's gone now.
He's Kaboom Beam Man.
It's gone now.
That's Mr. Kaboom. Guys, who has the most money in here?
You. Purple has the most money.
You.
Purple has the most money. He has 100 and something million.
What did you say?
Where is he gone? Purple, he just died. This purple right here.
Someone
This purple right here. This purple right here. This
Yo,
purple right
wait,
here has the most
purple,
money. He
purple.
has like 100 something
Look at my
million.
money. Look
Please,
at my money. Could you buy me a rocket launch ammo?
Oh, I have more than you.
Yeah.
Can you buy me rocket
Look at my money. Look
Hey,
at my
you,
money.
how
Look
did
at my
you get money?
I
How
have
did
like
you get it? How
100K
did you
more
get
than
it?
you. I have
Can
like
you buy me
100K
rocket
more.
launcher ammo?
I meant 100 million.
Oh yeah, come here, I got you, Just come over here,
Hey.
Wait, you,
Yeah,
can
it
you
don't
buy
really
me
matter.
a rocket launcher ammo?
Bro,
he's
he's gone.
He's now just gonna give you a rocket launcher. Easy.
Come to shore.
I already have a
Shoot.
rocket launcher.
Guys,
That's
sticks are the most overpowered things.
It don't
Sticks
really
are the
matter
most
if you do it
overpowered
anyway.
things.
I've literally got 174 million.
Yeah,
Shooting
but
it
the
ain't
thing
gonna
is,
Bro,
how'd you
bro.
get it?
Bro,
Did you just do some
Bro.
looping?
sticks are
Did
better.
you know how to
Sticks
record
are
7
better.
million looping?
Aim.
You, purple.
What?
Bro.
Can you buy me a
Bro.
rocket launcher?
Oh, your
Hey,
aim is so
shoot!
trash. Your aim is actually trash. Oh, you got the worst aim.
3, 2, 1.
Look at this kid.
Bro was delayed like that. Bro just had to delay.
Go on to mystery bag.
Oh, damn, that's sad.
Where are you? Go on to mystery bag.
Yeah, sure.
That's
I'm on a-
I'm at the
sad.
shore.
Me, I want a mystery bag actually.
what you do after this.
No, you're gonna die, trust me. Someone's gonna kill you.
Yeah, you will die.
Run.
No, I'm just
Run.
taking you. It's fine.
Run.
Nobody's here. It's fine.
Oh, cool. You got one of them.
He's right there.
Yeah, I'm fine.
You just
got the Thank you. The sticks, isn't it?
Why?
Get
his
Oh
stuff.
my god. Oh my god.
Can you buy me
In the
a
lake you
rocket
go.
launcher ammo?
No, give me. I'm gonna
Oh
throw
my
it in the
God.
lake.
I thought you would.
Yes, I am more overpowered than
I'll go throw it in
ever.
the lake.
He
It's
wants
going
a
in the lake.
grappler. He wants.
It's going in the lake. It's going in the lake.
Bro, no, please give me my stuff
How
back.
much money do you have?
Bro, I just found a random one.
You buy me a rocket launcher.
Look, this guy has
found this.
174 million.
I just found this on the go.
Hang on. He keeps buying rocket launchers.
Best man you
Zim,
bring alive.
look, he's
I
he's
literally
like the
just, I
richest
just
guy.
literally took his stuff straight into
Can you buy me rocket launcher ammo?
Nah, you by yourself.
Bro, look what I got. Look what I got. If you kill anyone, I will kill you.
Can you buy me a
Alright,
You buy me a rocket launcher.
green?
Bro, green.
Where are you?
Can you kill that?
Buy me a
Come to shore. Squid.
Can I have a rocket launcher?
no point in that.
My bag's useless. It only has sticks in. My bag only has sticks in. Bro just got scams. Where's my bag anyway?
Bruh.
Oh, my bag. I just need my sticks.
No, I'm not going now.
The guy that I just killed with a rocket launcher. Come to the lake if you want your stuff.
Bro, does anybody want this dragon rocket launcher?
I'm not going to the
Me
lake.
sure.
I need ammo.
Oh.
Me, I do.
Wait, stop trying to steal it from me. This thing. Guys, go get it, will you first? Oh, damn. I didn't throw it right. No.
I need ammo.
Yo, can you buy me an RPG?
Are you coming?
Have an RPG.
I'm
Aim
so
is so
overpowered.
trash. Just leave the game already.
Hey guys, I have
Reindeer.
bullshit.
Reindeer, can I have an RPG?
Bro,
Sorry,
give it
but
back. Give me fire you an arrow.
Hey guys, is this shit real? Is this shit
Oh.
Hey yo, can someone answer my question? Is this shit fair? Yes, it is. I'm gonna go throw in the water then. Can I have it? No.
Your aim is so bad.
Can I clap you first?
There's no survivors!
Make moaning sounds.
Oh, you just jumped
Can I have it
over it.
No, you didn't let me clap you.
Hey, Polar Bear, did you hear what I said?
Yep, stay
You!
Polar Bear, come here. I said no survivors.
Moan.
Nah, this kid's dead.
Oh my god, RPG! I flew through RPG! Oh my god. Without this whole epic. What the? What? I don't need that. Give me it.
Damn it, I'm trying to blow myself up.
You!
Come on.
Buy me a revolver.
I'll own revolvers though.
Like, whoa!
You a nigga. I don't like you.
Oh my god, go.
You a
I
nigga. You
forgot my
got
gun.
one of these niggas. Rich move.
Can find
There
that
shall
for
be no
Creech,
survivors.
Can find that from Creech.
Hey yo, what's up, nigga? You don't got one of these. Cause you a fat ass, nigga. Let's empty it. Let's empty it. Yeah, empty that
that's my-
motherfucker. Empty
That's
that
the
shit.
bag.
Some kid tried escaping
Oh,
into the that ain't vehicle. fucking real.
Oh, whoever plays this sound
That
is
ain't
scared
real
by
shit. There ain't no low gang rape. There ain't no gang rape, bro. So count. I want there to be like actual gang rape.
Free Dragon
Nah, I want
RPG! Free Dragon RPG!
Do you want this?
Free Dragon?
I want
Wait,
red
hold that
flashlight.
stuff real quick.
I'm gonna go throw it in the water. I'm gonna go throw this thing in the water. This time it was so
I said no survivors. Whoever hits me is literally dead.
Oh shit!
Big bud.
Big bombs. Alright, now it's safe to go in water.
It only does one bag on your back.
I said no survivors.
Sorry, you okay?
Yo, can you take more?